Maryland's primary election day is now less than a month away, and one of the most consequential races is for Prince George's County State's Attorney. The policies of the winner can quickly impact public safety. The race is also one of the most hotly contested, with three well-known candidates seeking the job. Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell questioned all three of them about how they would do the job.
The candidates for State's Attorney of Prince George's County are Wanika Fisher, Tara Jackson, and Karen Piper Mitchell. All are Democrats. There is no Republican running. It is an important job. The State's Attorney is responsible for prosecuting criminal cases, and the decisions they make can quickly impact crime rates in the community. We questioned each of the candidates on the issues to help you be the judge of who should win your vote. Each of the candidates brings courtroom experience. Jackson is currently interim state's attorney, having been appointed by the circuit court judges. Mitchell has been a prosecutor for 26 years and is currently Charles County deputy state's attorney. Fisher is a county council member. She has been a state delegate as well as a prosecutor and defense attorney. We asked each to describe their philosophy, how tough they'd be on criminals.
You have to prosecute with the evidence that you have for a jury or a judge to rule in your favor, period. So you need to go by what the evidence is and what justice calls you to do. Every case is going to be different because every victim, every evidence, anything that's going on in that case is going to be different. So I'm smart on crime. Look, criminals are going to fear Wanika Fisher in this county.
I think it really still all centers around accountability. I think whether you're talking restorative justice or you're talking punishment, accountability really is central to the mission of the prosecutor's office. We have to hold people responsible for the crimes that they commit in our county. And if we don't do it, it really is the difference between calm and chaos in our community.
There's certain kinds of crimes, they require jail. When we're talking about our homicides, our violent offenses, when we're talking about our repeat offenders, that requires incarceration. And then later on, depending on the kind of case, we're looking at re-entry so that those individuals don't reoffend. But there are just certain kinds of crimes. Our sexual child abuse, individuals need to be incarcerated.
We'll be back at 6 with where each of the candidates stands on the controversial issue of juvenile justice. And you can see their entire uncut interviews on a range of topics on our website, WJLA.com. In Upper Marlboro, Brad Bell, 7 News.
As of Wednesday, Maryland election officials say 500,000 requested mail-in ballots have been reissued for the upcoming primary. It comes after a vendor sent ballots for the wrong party to some voters. Now, the problem was discovered on May 14th. Officials say they couldn't identify exactly which individuals got the wrong ballots, so they had to resend all of them. Early in-person voting for Maryland primaries will begin on June 11th and last for a week. Election Day is June 23rd. Polls will be open from 7 in the morning till 8 p.m. You can find all of our extensive coverage, election coverage, including a voter guide on WJLA.com.